So this video is intended as an add-on to the vocab you already have, just to kind of bring home a couple of points. So what we're looking at right here is congruent, having the same measure without actually having a numeric value. Must be a measurable thing. We're talking about distance. We've already talked a little bit about congruent. Again, it means they have the exact same measurement. This is the symbol, equal sign with a little tilde above it there. But again, so if I say that two things are congruent, let me give you an example here real quick. So if I say to you that line segment AB is congruent with line segment CD, that means AB has the same length as CD without having to measure it, because I used this symbol. So again, to drive that point home, congruent segments, line segments that have the same measurable length. Again, PQ, ST. PQ is congruent with ST. And this right here is the congruent statement saying that they are, in fact, the same length without you even having to measure them.